how to create social media content with AI. So I'm an AI expert. I'm probably 9% of the AI experts in the world. I've been studying this for the past 3 years. And so I'm a little ahead of the game, and I want to share that knowledge with you. So bottom line is, how do you create social media content? And then how do you mix that with AI? I think you have to look at the two. You have to combine the two. You can't just look at it in a vacuum. So how to create social media content. I have this website pulled up. It's called Ask the Public, right? Yeah. Ask the Public. Like my good friend Phil, she says, give the people what they want. I appreciate that saying, Phyllis. So you go on here and you can do 3 searches for free. And I put in real estate and AI, and it came up with these topics. And I'm definitely going to use 3 of them. I like, will real estate survive AI? And then I'll come back and I'll use the rest. And so with that information, I will go over to my additional software that I use to create a blog post out of that. From that blog post, I'll create a script for YouTube. From that script from YouTube, I can create some images, some video from Sora, and then I can also use it to get a podcast script if wanted, and show you how to input that into AI. So I'll be right back in a quick sec. Let me just open up that other software. Okay, so I'm over back into my software, and I'm going to write a blog post. I will create a blog post for the topic as a professional. And you want it to act like whatever the professional is, which in this case is a copywriter, and create a blog post that is SEO optimized with backlinks for the topic. Will real estate survive AI? In the tone of debspence.com, but in the style of Ty Lopez, because I like his copy. Bam. So we click on that. We click on that, and it will create the blog post. And then from this blog post, I'll have it create an image. I'll give it a prompt to create a video. And then I will create social media posts for 7 days. It can create email marketing. So from one blog post, I can also create a script for video for YouTube, and I can create another script for Hey Jen, which is my clone, and I can create a podcast script, and let's see what else I can create. Right, this one blog post can be 30 days of my social media content. And so I'm going to let this play itself out. And I have some other proprietary software that I can't show you. I can't share with you. But it's called the Business Lab, AIpreneurs Business Lab. And it gives me the option of writing a blog post inside of there with different models. So different large language models, and the content from Opus is off the chart, so which is Claude. Anywho, back to this. While this is generating, I will give it a sec, come back and check in, and then we'll go from there creating the other content. Okay, great, I'm back. So it generated the blog post. The meta title, Will Real Estate Survive AI, the 2025 playbook. I would love for that to be 2026. So I'll have it updated. And then this I can copy paste right into my blog, which currently I have on WordPress. And I like to switch that over to Go High Level. Anywho, and it gives me some backlinks and some information. It also gives me the optional schema paste right into your blog as a HTML. And then, it has the further reading, which is awesome. It can source it back, which will help my blog rank. So now I want to create an image for the blog and for social media content. And then I'll come back while it's working on that. So here I am. I'm back. It created this image. I think it's okay. I will probably go with it. It's creating some other images that I can use for social. And once that's done, I will begin to request information for the social media post itself. And I would love to have a good 7 days. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I did get some other images, and now I will, this is good. I like this one. I like the blue one. I got this one. Okay, and then so the next thing is create 7 days worth of social media content for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and Google My Business. And then that will work and do its magic. And and then I'll be right back to let you know.